today we are out here with the car, and unfortunately we are not going to be doing any real racing today because it is the off season. Instead, we're going to be messing around a little bit on the practice tree. Got it all set up here, have a few challenges and practice exercises that I want to do just to get better prepared for when real racing does roll back around. All right, first off, I got to get warmed up. Here to help me do that, we have special guest Jada. We got her a button rigged up to the steering wheel here. Ooh, close one, Jay. Damn, Jada. Dang, Jada, 000? Damn, Jada, did you miss it? What are you doing, Jada? Oh. It's me from the future. What ended up happening was I did 3 practice tree challenges. The video was way too long, so we're just gonna hop into that last challenge that I did. So we're gonna be simulating a $1 million bracket race with a practice tree challenge. Now, I kind of made up everything here, but I kind of modeled it after this Great American Guaranteed Million race that I attended this year. All right, so the entry fee that we're making up is gonna be $3,000. 400 people in the race. That makes for a 10 round to win race. And I kind of made up the payouts here. But the big thing here, opponents, since this is a $1 million race, everybody's gonna be nasty on the tree. So we're gonna say that they are guaranteed to be between 000 and 20, and I'm gonna randomly generate those values. Since we cannot drive the finish line in this challenge, the better reaction time is gonna win the round, and if they are the same, it's gonna go to whoever is doing the challenge. So that would be me in this case. Watch this. Alright, so I have found this random picker website here. I've entered 000 through 20 into the values here. So what I'm going to do is, since I don't want to know what I'm up against each hit, I'm going to have somebody come in here, have a little bowl here, have some sticky notes. I guess I'll get my mom in here. She'll generate these values, write them on here, fold them up, put them in the bowl, and then we'll get out there and see how we do. Alright, let's see how many win lights we can turn on. You guys know what I'm up against. I do not. I'll put those values on screen. They should all be in this bowl here. Alright, I did roll 3,000 out of my box based on the 50 hit results. So hopefully I will be between 000 and 12 the whole time, and we can go some rounds. All right, let's get it. Okay. I hate that, man. I hate that's the box messing up. We're just gonna forget about that. All right, here we go. First round. $002. All right, I'll take that. Okay, and the opponent was, oh my goodness, 005. All right, made it past first round. Second round. $003. All right, opponent. Oh, these are hard to get apart. Opponent was 009. All right. Got past second round. Third round. 005. Alright. We're on a roll here. Opponent was 11. Alright. Got past third round. Fourth round. Ooh, 006. Alright. Opponent in the fourth round was not good. 18. Moving on. Fifth round. Getting into the money. Honey. Alright, here we go. Okay, 156 red. We gotta throw that out. Sorry about that, y'all. Alright, fifth round. Here we go. .004, baby. Feeling pretty good. Hopefully they were pretty good. Get some good lights out of this bowl. They were, oh my goodness, 007. That's pretty good. Halfway through the race. Sixth round. Here we go. And we were 20. Oh my god. Is there a 20 in the bowl? And we can draw it right now. Opponent. Oh my god. No way. Opponent was 20 and the tie goes to us. Oh my god. Sixth round luck. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to say about that one. Okay. Let's just take it and move on. Seventh round. Alright, tree turned off on me. Let me go pop it on. Seventh round. .008. Man. Seventh round. Will a 008 win the seventh round? Yes. They were 16. Eighth round. This is like quarterfinals. Here we go. Big money. Oh, dude. 13. I knew I didn't hit it good. Damn. Alright. What was the opponent? The opponent, oh my god, was a 13. The tie goes to us. No way. Semi-final round. Hundreds of thousands of dollars on the line right here. Can we just say we get the buy here? Like, okay, whatever. We'll waste for it. Semi-final. 004. Oh my god, I thought it was red. Okay. I swear, if they're better than 004. You guys know there's only two values left though, so. Alright, 16 on the tree. We are in the finals. Let's get it. Let's get it. Final of the million. Here we go. .008. Does 008 win? You guys know already. Last one in the bowl. And we did not win the final. Oh my god. Actually, a 005. Oh my goodness. Alright, it's up to you guys on this one. Could I have won that race with an 8-5 deficit on the starting line? Could I have made the difference at the finish line to win the million? It's up to you guys. One last thing, guys, if you do not already know about Gallstar TV on YouTube, go check it out, where Tom Gall makes 100 times better videos than I can. Maybe you already know about the channel. Either way, go head on over to gallstartv.com and check out the swag shop. Go get yourself some sick t-shirts. Go get a hoodie, go get some subscriber decals, get the 2020 Gallstar TV t-shirt while you can. There's not many, so get that version quick. Get the Gallstar TV helmet blinder, whatever you want. People are always asking me if I have something for them at the track, and now you can get it 10% off with the code TheRock10. Links to both the Golfstar TV YouTube channel and to the swag shop are down below. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Give it a like, leave a comment, and consider subscribing if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ooh, close one, Jay. End it, end it.